Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, except this isn't mine at all. This is from the lovely Halsey, who is the UK Demonstrator Development Manager. She's the country manager for the UK. And she gave me this card recently, and I thought it was beautiful in its simplicity. And thought, I'm going to remake that, but I'm not going to do it in this colour, which I suspect is basic beige. I don't know, could be crumb cake, but I'm going to do it in Pretty and Pink, which is a colour I haven't yet used. At least I don't think I have. I don't know. So, okay, so I'm just simply cutting my cardstock in half, and then I'm going to score it in half. So cut it in half and score it in half. I'm not going to give you measurements because they're going to be different whether you work in imperial or metric, or whether you perhaps work in 8.5 by 11 or international A4. Cut it in half, score it in half, you're good to go. Okay, and I do have the stamp set she used, which are sketched butterflies. And I haven't used this one either. Oh, this is all exciting. Brand new stamp set. Oh, they're gorgeous. And they are sketched. Ooh, they're lovely. And they come with dies. Not going to use the dies. I'm going to do a complete Halsey. And copy it in its entirety as much to see what it looks like in the different colourway. And oh, I've got a lamp on my desk. I've got a lamp on my desk for taking pictures, only I've lost the end of it, so I can't really have to balance it. Okay, it's going to go on the floor so I can get my blocks out. So I want a fairly big block for this one. Oops. And this one. And then the small one. Okay, and then it's tone on tone, so I'm going to get my Pretty and Pink, and I need a scrap of paper. Oh, it's underneath my tablet. Oh, just dropping everything. So I am still on holiday at this point in time that you're seeing this, so still filming in advance. Things we do to keep our projects coming out to you all. Okay, let me make sure that's the right way up. And in case you're wondering and you've been following my videos, my husband is still out shopping. Hasn't been out for days, but at the point I'm filming it, I'm filming all my videos together. And yeah, he's out with Jacob shopping for clothes. Okay, right, we have that. And then she's gone, thank you. Your sport deserves a big thank you. I'm just going to go with thank you, I think, because I don't want a big section. Or do I want... Hope is a beautiful thing. Oh, no. Oh, I've got a birthday coming up. Oh, and I should have done it in purple. Okay. We're going to make two today because I'm going to make a version of this in a lilac. But I'm going to go, hope is a beautiful thing that flutters in the soul. And I'm going to go straight onto the cardstock. Because although Halsey's bannered it, put it on a banner, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go straight onto the card. But do I want it in black? Oh, I don't know. I'm going to go black. Yes, let's just go for it. And hope it's lined up. I'm using my grid paper to continue lining it up. Cross your fingers for me, everybody. Oh, it's lined up. That's fantastic. And then I'm going to take it a step further with my much beloved Wink of Stella and glitter up my wings. And then I will bring it closer and show you. And then I'm going to make a purple version because I've got a special birthday coming up in the summer, in August. Can you see the glittery bit on that? Probably not. I probably need that lamp I've just dumped on the floor. So that's very simple. Okay, let's go and get some lovely lilac. So I'm going to go Highland Heather. And let me just clean up these ink pads. I've dumped stuff all over my stamping scrub, so we're going to old school clean up our blocks, or clean up our stamps. So, right, so purple version for a birthday card for a special somebody. That would be my mum. Mum, if you're watching this, turn off your video. Purple is her favourite colour. Technically purple and lime green are her favourite colours. And then I'm going to step this up, and instead of doing it, making this with tone on tone, I'm going to go Gorgeous Grave, which is very dark. And oh, that's lush. And I'm going to switch around where my butterflies are. And then I'm going to have different words. Wishing you a beautiful birthday. Which is this one. I need another block. And there's a cat sat next to me. She's going to launch herself onto the desk, I'm sure. Fingers crossed this one comes out straight. It did. And then once again I'm going to do the same thing with Winker Stir. Scotch it out a little bit though, just to get that bit more of a shine going. I think you can see the shine a bit better on that one. That, oh, that's simple but fabulous. Oh, love it. Oh, perfect. You can add rhinestones, embellishments, stuff, or you can keep it simply as simple as that is. Anyway, what do you think? Oh, I love them. Oh, it's exciting. So the stamp set is all doing all of the work. It's sketched butterflies. I haven't used the dies, just sketched butterflies. Oh, look, there's little ones too. Ooh, ooh, can I fit them in anywhere? No. Come on, maybe. Let's have a go. Let's just add them in. What the heck? Where did that pink go? Oh, I put it away. I'm going to fit those in there. Are they going to be the right way round? Oh, too cute. Oh, love it. Love it. I don't know that I can get them on the purple. Let's have a bash. Yeah, we'll make them fit. They might be a bit upside down, but that's okay. Let's see which way they come round this way. Yeah, they're all upside down that way. So, I love it. Oh, look. Oh, no. I'm just going to keep adding to this, aren't I? I'm going to add a couple more up there. Oh, this is such fun. Too cute. That's upside down. We don't worry. And then Winker Stella, all of those. This is not at all how I craft normally, but I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. That's so cute. Oh, my husband's back. Apparently the shopping was successful. Anyway, wish me luck with packing. I've already packed. You're watching this while I'm still on holiday. Anyway, have a wonderful day, everybody. Yeah, I think this is coming out on a Monday. I hope it's coming out on a Monday. I've no idea. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.